Hi everyone, it's me Ross, and today I will try to do a world record in AnTuTu benchmark. How we can do this? Let me show you. Okay, I already run a benchmark on AnTuTu One. You can see I'm opening the freezer. Inside it is my OnePlus 13. Now let me just put it on the table and unlock the device. You can see this is my previous record we did on AnTuTu. It is almost 3 millions, but I want to test if we can pass 3 millions. So for that purpose, of course, performance mode is enabled. I will run the test and put the device again in the freezer. So let's do this. Okay, I'm opening the freezer now. It is inside it, and now let's run the test. And you can see test is start running. Okay, let's close it. Okay, I will be back after 10 minutes when the test is finished to check if the world record is ready or we still cannot pass 3 million points. Let's check it. It is still running. Let's close it. Second check what's happening in the freezer. It's still running the test. Sequential read 36% is passed and it is continuing. Let's back after 5 minutes. Let's check how far OnePlus 13 is now on the AnTuTu test. I will open the freezer again. Whoa, 78%. Let me show you. It is still running. I hope we can pass this 3 million, but I will see, but I hope we can pass that 3 million finally with OnePlus 13. Keep in mind that this is the cheapest version of OnePlus 13, which is only with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. And this is important because if we have 24 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage, the results will be higher, of course, but I only have that version, so we'll test it. This is the strangest test I ever do, but everything... No, we cannot pass it, but we are very close. 2,957,6.6. That's it. And you can see how the temperature is even going down during the test. A very interesting result of this AnTuTu, and I am already defeated 99% of the users. 10% drop in temperature from 2.9, so it was around 15 or 16 and it is going to 14 degrees. This is completely normal because it was in the fridge. This is my device, and you can see I am even on the first place of the rankings. So we can't beat 3 million, but we are very close to it. Very close to 3 million, and thanks to the freezer. That's it. Now I can disable the performance mode, and you can see how powerful is this Snapdragon 8 Elite and OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.